Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed back to the Burberry outlet to try on one of their signature pieces, this lovely Burberry cardigan that has the Burberry Nova Check on the elbow patches. So I specifically wanted to try on a gray because I do own this in the tan. And here it is. So this is the typical crew neck sweater with the elbow patches, and it fit pretty well. I will say they did have scarce sizing, so it was kind of hard to find the sizes that I needed, but I was able to find an extra small in both the gray crew neck as well as the blue button down. And then I also tried on a size small in the blue crew neck. So we do have a good variety here. As a quick spoiler for the size, I do think that either size would work, either the extra small or the small. So that is to say that I do think these are kind of forgiving and the lines between the sizes are a little blurred. So this in the gray is the extra small. I actually did feel the gray in the extra small was a little snug, but I think it depends how you're going to wear this. Now, besides the fit, I also kind of felt like the print on the elbow on the gray should have been in a different color because the gray to brown was just a little bit stark for me. Now the same kind of went for this light blue one, and as you can see, I think it's a little bit baggy. So this is the size small. The other one was a little bit too small. Maybe it's kind of like a Goldilocks thing here, and you need like something right in the middle to be the perfect size, but do with that what you will, and of course your preference is always king. Now this is the button down. This was an extra small. I really loved the big buttons. They were kind of tortoise shelled, and I really liked the oversized fit. Now there was something about this coloring as well that didn't sit perfectly well with me. I felt like the plaid was a little off, but of course that's preference as well. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.